Hey guys, today we're talking about the Jetboil HalfGen base camp system. The HalfGen is the world's first modular, expandable base camp cooking system, and you can kind of think of it as the little brother to the Genesis. I'm going to show you what it's all about. The system weighs just 3.5 pounds, and it comes with a 9-inch ceramic-coated cooking pan for eco-friendly non-stick cooking. Now the HalfGen itself is a standalone, single 10,000 BTU burner stove. If you throw a 5-liter flux pot on there, it'll boil a liter of water in just over 3 minutes, just like the Genesis stove. But more important than just raw power is the fact that you get Jetboil's incredible simmer control with this. Now that's thanks to Jetboil's patented regulator valve technology. You can cook perfect blueberry pancakes in the morning like we've got right here, or you can rapidly boil water for spaghetti bolognese at night, all in the same stove. Here's the coolest thing about the HalfGen. It works great on its own for 1 or 2 people, but it's really designed to be modular and part of a bigger camp kitchen system. It has a JetLink port so you can hook it up to a bunch of different accessories and stoves depending upon the size of your group. Aside from its modular design, the HalfGen also has a really reliable lever igniter so you don't have to worry about singeing your arm hair while lighting it, and it's really intuitive to pack away thanks to these rubber straps. So to sum everything up, it works great on its own for smaller groups, and thanks to its JetLink port, it's expandable and makes for an indispensable part of any camp kitchen, no matter how big the adventure.
The Optimus Elektra FE is one of the most ultra-fast, lightweight, and versatile cooking systems on the market. The Elektra FE can boil a liter extremely fast, in as little as 2.3 minutes. The stove has a unique wide burner head, making it ultra-light and ultra-powerful, while spreading the heat evenly on your pot to prevent burning your food. The Optimus Elektra FE cook system comes with many smart accessories. The clip-on windshield provides reliability and faster boil times in all conditions. The Sparky piezo igniter quickly and conveniently lights any stove or fire. The Elektra FE cook set has a heat exchanger which dramatically reduces boil time. This combination saves fuel so you can go farther longer with the same Optimus fuel canister. Optimus offers a full range of cooking accessories. The Optimus heat pouch is an excellent way to keep your food warm longer and protect your fingers. The Optimus sliding long spoon makes eating from dehydrated food pouches more enjoyable. The ultralight Optimus seat makes cooking in any condition more luxurious. And the Optimus Bob provides easy cleanup so you can move on quickly to your next adventure. When you're done cooking, the Elektra FE nests perfectly together, more compact and lightweight than other stoves. It packs up small and fits neatly in your pack until you're ready to cook your next gourmet masterpiece.
The Fold N Go 2-burner stove is a compact, powerful addition to any tailgate party. Unfolded, it's got enough real estate for 2 12-inch pots, skillets, or griddles. With Insta-Start, you push a button and the stove ignites. The Fold N Go stove's 2 10,000 BTU burners are powered by the standard 16.4-ounce propane cylinder. When the party's over, teardown is easy. The stove's cooking grates and propane regulator nest inside the stove. You simply fold it, lock it, and you're ready to move on. From Coleman, the outdoor company.
Okay, so here we got after about 2 minutes. You can see we're getting a pretty nice little vortex. I'm going to turn the heat up. It's about 1,500 degrees. Totally controllable. You just turn it back down. You just want a soft flame to cook with or whatever. Turn it back up.